Hello everyone. My name is Prashasti Nagar. I am from Standard 8th. I study in Gyan Vikas School, Portland, in Goa. Today, I am going to talk about indigenous fruits and vegetables in Goa. Fruits and vegetables in Goa. Popularly known as the Pearl of the Orient or the tourist paradise, Goa grows almost all fruits and vegetables like carrots, potatoes, onions, zucchini, asparagus, peas, peppers, tomatoes, and fruits like pears, strawberries, grapes, melons, and watermelons, with cashew being the state fruit and red amaranth being the state vegetable. We start off with exploring the appetizing native fruits of Goa. Here are the few of the many fruits that are found in abundance all over Goa. Cashew, coconut, mango, banana, pineapple, jackfruit, areca nuts are some of the many fruits. Let's begin with one variety of mango found mostly in Goa, Mankurat mango. The local name of this mango is Goa Mankur, Kurat, Mankurat and Ammo, and the scientific name is the same as any other mango, Mangifera indica. The geographical conditions needed for growth is hot weather with high humidity. The nutritive value is it's a good source of fiber and antioxidants. It's fat-free, sodium-free and cholesterol-free. Used in Goan cuisine, it's eaten raw. Here are some images of the very delicious Mankurat mango, which is a very good symbol of the authenticity of Goa. Now, let's see about jackfruit. Jackfruits from Goa are very tasty and they are found in two varieties, popularly known in Konkani as Kappo Pannas and Rasal Pannas. Jackfruits can be eaten as it is, and ripe jackfruits can also be used in cooking and making veg dishes. The local name is Fanas and Kadgi and Ponosu. The scientific name is Artocarpus heterophyllus. The geographical conditions needed for its growth is it grows well in a warm, humid climate up to an elevation of 1500 MSL. It's grown well in a rich, deep, alluvial and well-drained soil. The nutritive value is a cup of raw sliced jackfruit contains 157 calories, 2.84 gram of protein, and jackfruit is a healthful source of vitamin C, potassium, dietary fiber and some other essential vitamins and minerals. Used in Goan cuisine. Sand-on steamed rice cakes with a jackfruit filling, donas, jackfruit cakes, jackfruit chips and chaku, a dry vegetable dish with tender ripe jackfruit and grated coconut are prepared using jackfruit and are loved all over Goa. This is the image of the Goan chaku. These are jackfruits from Goa. This is donas or jackfruit cake. These are jackfruit chips and jackfruit, cutted from inside. Cashew. The local name of cashew is kaju. The scientific name is Anacardium occidentale. The geographical conditions needed for growth, cashew is best adapted to seasonal dry tropical climates. During the yield season, dry climate for 4 months is much favorable. The nutritive value, 1 ounce of raw cashews, 28.35 grams, contains 157 calories, 8.56 grams of carbohydrate, 1.68 gram of sugar, gives a lot of energy and also keeps you satiated for a long time. Used in Goan cuisine. Cashew is used to make niru, which is cashew juice, and when fermented becomes alcohol called feni. These are special cashews from Goa which they are covered on. This is Goan cashew niru, which is cashew juice, and when this niru gets fermented, it becomes Goan feni, which is a very famous alcohol from Goa which tourists enjoy. These are cashew plants. and this is a dish made from cashew. Now let's talk about coconut. Coconut trees you will find all over Goa. The local name is Nal, the scientific name is Cocos nucifera. The geographical conditions needed for growth, coconut requires an equatorial climate with high humidity. Nutritive value, one piece of fresh coconut meat measuring 45 gram provides 159 calories, 1.5 gram of protein, 6.8 gram of carbohydrates and 15.1 gram of fat. Coconut is an excellent source of fiber, potassium, manganese and selenium. Used in Goan cuisine. Coconut is used to make human, which is Goan fish curry. This is coconut human, the very famous fish curry from Goa, and these are Goan coconuts. Now let's begin with Goa's native vegetables, which are used to make a variety of dishes. Goan vegetables are a very important part of Goan cuisine, and most of them are used to make bhaji or curry. Here are few of them: red amaranth, brinjal, cluster beans, chilies, kidney beans, bitter gourd, pumpkin and radish. Let's begin with red amaranth, which is also the state vegetable of Goa. The local name is Tambri Bhaji. The scientific name is Amaranthus cruentus. The geographical conditions needed for growth. Amaranth prefers a warm climate, full sun and a well-drained soil. Nutritive value. Amaranth is rich in antioxidants including gallic acid and vanillic acid. Used in Goan cuisine, bhaji or curry can be prepared and served with rice and human or dal. This is the red amaranth plant, and this is tamri bhaji, a curry or a bhaji prepared using these leaves. Now let's talk about wild Goan mushrooms. These mushrooms are different from the usual button mushrooms that are available in the market, and these are a specialty of Goa found in wild Goa. The local name is Almi or Olmi mushrooms. The scientific name is Termitomyces hemi. The geographical conditions needed for growth is they require high humidity and the ideal temperature range of between 15 and 18 degrees Celsius. Nutritive value, the fiber, potassium and vitamin C in mushrooms may contribute to cardiovascular health. Used in Goan cuisine. They are used to make the very famous mushroom shakuti. This name you must have heard in all over Goa in restaurants. These mushrooms, as I told you, are very different from the usual button mushrooms available all over the world. This is mushroom shakuti, and these are the special wild Goan mushrooms known as Olmi mushrooms. Next is brinjal. Brinjal is again a local vegetable of Goa. The local name is Vyangi or Vayangi. The scientific name is Solanum melongena. The geographical conditions needed for growth. Brinjal is a warm season crop and requires a long warm growing season. The nutritive value, eggplant has antioxidants like vitamins A and C which help protect your cells against damage. Used in Goan cuisine, they are used to make venleche bhart, which is bangan ka bharta in Hindi. This is Goan style brinjal bhaji, and this is venleche bhart. Time for another vegetable, bitter gourd. The local name in Goa is karathe. The scientific name is Momordica charantia. The geographical conditions needed for growth. Bitter gourd can be grown on well-drained sandy to sandy loam, medium black soils in rich in organic matter. Nutritive value, bitter gourd is a good source of nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, folate and vitamin A. Used in Goan cuisine, they are used to make bhaji with potato, also used to make karathe fry and karathe chutney. This is bitter gourd chutney or karathe chutney. This is Goan bitter gourd fry, and this is karathe batate bhaji, that is karathe bhaji with potato. And here we end our exploration and discovery of a lot of varieties of wild fruits and vegetables which are very authentic in Goa and are famous and are used in various delicacies.